In this week's edition of the Business Review, the spotlight is on productivity in the workplace. President of the Jamaica Employers Federation, David Wan, says a productive workforce is the key to a successful economy. With the details, here's TVJ's Andrew Laidley.
As Jamaica inches closer to meaningful economic growth, President of the Jamaica Employers Federation, JEF, David Wan, says when it comes to productivity, the country has a long way to go.
Since the financial aspects of the economy have largely been dealt with, I think the next frontier now for the economy and what the government needs to be aware of is how do we increase productivity.
Mr. Wan pointed to deficiencies in the public sector which continue to obstruct productivity levels.
I believe that although we've passed the IMF benchmarks on the public sector transformation, we have a significant way to go still. But not only is it an exercise in, how many people do we have and how do our processes, how efficient are we and what do we need to change to get there. There's a whole political overlay into that because people's livelihoods are at stake.
But it's not all bad. The JEF president highlighted one initiative which he says is a good example of maximizing resources to achieve optimal results.
One of the specific examples that is being pursued, not so much by the government, although they're a shareholder. JPS is switching from the diesel fuel generated power to LNG power. They're replacing a whole plant that's diesel with LNG. And because it is more efficient than the diesel, they'll be able to hold prices more constant and have the manufacturing have energy at a more efficient rate over a longer period.
For the Business Review, I am Andrew Laidley.